In precision manufacturing, efficiency and accuracy are crucial, and the Nomura DS is dedicated to delivering excellence in machining solutions. Efficiency and repeatability are the cornerstones of Nomura DS, with features designed to automate processes and ensure consistent results. Nomura DS turning reduces production time and waste, allowing manufacturers to meet deadlines with ease. From high-performance metals and tough alloys to plastics and everything in between, Nomura DS handles them all. Its versatility and material compatibility makes it an indispensable tool for manufacturers seeking quality across a spectrum of materials. Nomura DS is synonymous with high-precision machining. Its exceptional accuracy and ability to meet tight machining tolerances ensure parts meet or exceed manufacturing and quality expectations, where precision and repeatability are paramount. With its capability for handling complex geometries, Nomura DS tackles intricate designs effortlessly. Whether it's gears, valves, watch components, medical instruments, or implants, Nomura DS delivers precision craftsmanship every time. From 1mm to 42mm, Nomura DS excels at machining small diameter parts, offering unparalleled precision within the Swiss-type lathe range. Its ability to handle such intricate work sets it apart in the manufacturing landscape. Reliability and durability are non-negotiable in high-precision machining environments. Nomura DS milling is built to withstand the rigors of constant use with minimal downtime for maintenance or repairs, ensuring uninterrupted production. But it's not just about performance. Ease of use and setup are equally important. Nomura DS boasts multiple user-friendly platforms, allowing for efficient setup times, industry-leading productivity, and a reduction in training time for machinists. This enables a quick and efficient introduction to the machine tool operations. Nomura DS minimizes waste compared to traditional machining processes. Optimizing power consumption and floor space utilization leads to a reduction of overall operational costs for manufacturers. Compact in size yet versatile in function, Nomura DS is the go-to solution for job shops with simple to complex parts and limited floor space, striving to maximize profitability. When precision, reliability, and efficiency matter most, trust Nomura DS to deliver. Contact us today to elevate your machining capabilities and take your manufacturing to new heights.